Can I fix my Ring device when it's offline by resetting it?
Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today we're going to answer an important question many Ring device users face. Can I fix my Ring device when it's offline by resetting it? If you've been experiencing this issue, you're in the right place.
What causes a Ring device to go offline?
Before we delve into the solution, it's good to understand why your Ring device might be going offline. The primary reasons include 1. Internet connectivity issues. If your Wi-Fi network is down or experiencing problems, your Ring device could lose its connection. 2. Power issues. If the device's battery is low or if there's a problem with the power supply, it might go offline. 3. Device software glitches. Like any piece of tech, Ring devices can occasionally experience software glitches that cause them to go offline.
Can resetting the device help?
Now, can resetting your Ring device solve the problem? The short answer is, yes, it can. Resetting the device can help resolve any software glitches and can reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. However, keep in mind that resetting should be done after you've checked for and rectified any obvious issues like internet connectivity or power supply problems.
How to reset your Ring device?
Here's how you can reset your Ring device. 1. Locate the reset button. This will typically be a small button on the side or back of the device. 2. Press and hold the reset button for about 20 seconds. This will initiate the factory reset process. Note, during this process, your device will lose all its settings, so you'll need to set it up again as if it were new. 3. Release the button and wait for your device to restart. You'll know it's ready when it begins flashing a light or makes a sound. 4. Set up the device again using the Ring app on your smartphone. Please note that the reset process might vary slightly depending on the specific model of your Ring device. Always check the user manual for the exact steps. So, there you have it. You now know that you can fix your offline Ring device by resetting it. We hope you found this guide helpful and you're now better equipped to tackle any connectivity issues with your Ring device. Remember, if the problem persists, it's a good idea to reach out to Ring's customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching.